Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning a social story about going to McDonald's Kids Burger Workshop. Today we are going to McDonald's Tanjung Tokong drive-thru. I'm joining the Kids Burger Workshop. There will be many people at the workshop. It might be noisy. I can bring my earmuffs. There are rules to follow to make the workshop fun for everyone. Rules number 1, I can use a soft voice inside McDonald's. Rules number 2, while waiting for the event to start, I can read or draw if I feel bored. The workshop will start at 2 p.m. or when everyone is ready. When I get there, I sit at the long table by myself or with new friends. When the event begins, I will need to wear gloves, an apron, and a hair cap to keep food clean and safe. If the gloves or cap feel uncomfortable, I can ask for help. The McDonald's crew will show us what to do next. I can take my turn to use the mayonnaise gun if I want some. If I don't like mayonnaise, I can say no thanks or choose tomato sauce instead. If I don't like vegetable, I can say no thanks and just add the chicken patty. When my burger is ready, I can eat it or save it for later. If the birdie mascot appears, I can go near to take a photo or stay far and watch. At the end, I can join the group photo and receive a certificate. Following the rules helps everyone have a great time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun stories. We'll learn more social story topics next time. See you!